Lack of nutrients like iron and vitamin C in the body is also a cause of hair loss. Adequate consumption of black raisins eliminates the deficiency of these nutrients in the body, thereby controlling hair fall and improving hair growth. Black raisins controls the growth of gray hair. How to use black raisins. Soak 7 to 8 black raisins in water overnight to take full advantage of the medicinal properties of black raisins. Wake up in the morning, drink that water and eat raisins. Do not eat anything for half an hour after eating raisins. Apart from this, you can also eat those raisins mixed with any food. You can dry black grapes in sunlight to make raisins at home. If you get useful information from video,